Welcome to this step-by-step guide on capability prompts in Lean Agile Intelligence. In this video, we'll explore how capability prompts help organizations gather more tailored insights from assessment participants, driving better decision-making. Previously, participants could leave general comments during assessments, but these comments often lacked the structure needed for actionable insights. That's where capability prompts come in. Capability prompts allow administrators to create specific questions, encouraging participants to provide more detailed and relevant insights on particular capabilities. This targeted approach ensures the feedback you receive is valuable and aligned with your assessment goals. Let's dive into how to set this up. First, navigate to Capability Templates under the Assessments section of the navigation bar. From here, either select an existing template to customize or create a new one from scratch. In this example, I am going to use our Flow Accelerators capability template. Click on the capability template and then click View Customize, where you will be taken to the Template Builder page. Once you are in the Template Builder, scroll down to Template Capabilities. Here, you can expand the existing capabilities to add or view prompts. Here, I'm going to select the capability Facilitating Feedback, expand it, and click on the Prompts tab. Because this is an out-of-the-box capability, you are only allowed to add or edit prompts or helpful resources. Click Edit Prompts to add prompts. Now click the plus sign to add prompts. Here you can add new prompts by typing in your question, or select from the 4 suggestions or from pre-existing prompts that you have previously added. You can also decide if the prompt is a required prompt by checking the required box, which ensures that participants must respond before proceeding. Add as many prompts as you would like, then arrange your prompts in the desired order using the arrows. When everything looks good, hit Save to apply the changes. Another option is to add prompts directly from the capability catalog. From the Template Builder, click Browse Capability Catalog and select a capability. Once you have selected a capability, you can add prompts just like we did in the Template Builder. Remember to save your work once you have finished. To edit or delete prompts, navigate to the Template Builder or the Capability Catalog. Select the capability and click Edit Prompts. You can change existing prompts, delete them, or rearrange them. Keep in mind, changing prompts after responses have been gathered may impact the display of results, so it's a good idea to review before making changes. Capability prompts are available in both separate and together mode assessments. In both together and separate mode, participants see prompts on the sidebar as they reach each capability. They can respond to the prompt either before or after voting on the capability. Once a response is typed and the cursor is moved away from the text area, it automatically saves the responses. Responses can be edited anytime before completing the assessment. Responses of non-required prompts can be cleared before completing the assessment. For required prompts, participants cannot proceed without responding unless they abstain from the vote, in which case the prompt can be skipped. In Together mode, facilitators can choose to display all responses or keep them hidden from the rest of the group. Responses are labeled anonymously as coming from facilitator or team member. Once the assessment is complete, prompt responses are viewable in the results dashboard. You can also filter results to see only capabilities with comments and prompt responses by clicking comments in the main results filter. Check Has Comments and decide whether you would like to see all the comments and the prompt responses since first assessment or since last assessment. Then click Apply Filters. You can view all comments for a specific capability by clicking to drill down on the capability that you want to view. In the Capability drill down, click the Comments tab on the right to see all the comments. If you would like to see the system comments, toggle to Show System Comments. To view all comments for all capabilities of the organization, group, or entity, depending on where you are in the org tree, click on the Capability Details tab to open the Capability Details dashboard. Click on the Displayed Columns button on the top right of the Capability Details table to ensure that the last assessment comments and the last assessment prompts columns are showing. You can also check the box to show last assessment system comments to display all system comments. Paid customers have the option to export this data in CSV or Excel format, making it easy to integrate the insights into your decision-making processes. Thank you for watching this detailed guide on capability prompts. For more information or to explore additional features, visit our Help Center. With capability prompts, you can gather insights that matter most and turn assessments into actionable strategies, which is what Lean Agile Intelligence is all about. Thank you.